Hi everyone! Sandwich and gourmet food don't go well together? We'll prove you wrong. Today we will show you a gourmet sandwich which will blow your taste buds away. It's easy to make, no super fancy ingredients are required, but the taste is high class and elegant. We combine a perfectly broiled filet mignon and a very special black pepper cognac sauce. This is brought to perfection by a mild goat cheese and some sweet onion jam. We think it's delicious, but let us know what you think in the comments below. Let's start with the pepper cognac sauce, which generally goes very well with red meats. Grind a tablespoon of pepper and roast it in vegetable oil. Make sure not to overheat the oil so you avoid burning the peppercorns. In the meantime, take a tablespoon of powdered sugar or agave syrup and caramelize it in a pot over medium heat before adding a shot of cognac to deglaze them. Now add 150 milliliters of either vegetable or beef broth. Next, add your peppercorns and 100 milliliters of heavy cream. We also include 2 cloves of garlic in the sauce, which we crushed up previously. Let everything simmer for about 20 minutes so that the aromas of the pepper and the garlic can combine with the sauce and the sauce has nicely thickened. Strain the sauce through a sieve, put it back into a pot or pan and add 1 tablespoon of cold butter, a breeze of salt and some freshly grated nutmeg to give the sauce the final touch. Next, prepare the filet mignon. We like it medium rare. For this, cut your filet into 4 cm thick strips. We usually take the filet out of the fridge 1 hour before broiling so that the meat reaches room temperature. Broil the bottom of the filet over high heat in some vegetable oil for about 2 minutes and the top for only about 1 minute. Also roast the edges, but only very shortly in order for them to enclose the tasty juices inside the filet. Wrap the meat in tin foil and put it into the oven for about 10 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius. You can use a thermometer to monitor the core temperature of your filet and take it out when it has reached your preferred finish. For medium rare, the temperature should be at about 54 degrees Celsius. Once you've extracted your steak out of the oven, cut it into thin slices and voila! Let's move on to the part that holds everything together. Prepare the bread by cutting 2 slices and buttering both sides of each slice. On the inner side of the bread, we rubbed some fresh garlic onto the bread before buttering it. Roast both sides of each slice in a pan. After they have a golden crispy tan, put some goat cheese onto one slice, which will soften on the hot bread. Now our sandwich is ready to be stacked. Put some of the pepper sauce onto the other slice of bread before you place the filet mignon in slices on top of it. Also pour some sauce onto the meat, as you can never have enough delicious sauce. To combine all flavors into harmony, put some onion marmalade onto the cheese. We recommend homemade marmalade. Now put the 2 halves of the sandwich together and enjoy your gourmet meal without silverware. Leave us a comment on how you like this recipe and feel free to follow us if you would like to see our version of an onion marmalade in a video soon.